Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Lutfiana Sifara. I am a student at Bina Sarana Informatika University. Here, I will share my opinion about the lecturers Bina Sarana Informatika University and explain the question words. First, we enter the Bina Sarana Informatika profile. First, we enter the Bina Sarana Informatika profile. Bina Sarana Informatika or BSI has 6 academies, 25 campus across Indonesia, and approximately 2,000 active students. The Bina Sarana Informatika Foundation initiated the unification of 21 campus owned by BSI into one large university. The transformation into a university is also one of BSI steps to become the largest higher education institution with good accreditation. In addition, it is also an effort by BSI to improve the quality of the education system and the competence of its graduates. Bina Sarana Informatika University has 19 study programs, namely Electrical Engineering, Industrial Engineering, English Literature, Computerized Accounting, Information Management, Secretariat, Administrative Management, English, and Advertising. In addition, the study programs include public relations, broadcasting, text management, accounting, information system, informatics engineering, management, communication science, information technology, and software engineering. I am majoring in management. I have 7 courses, namely 1. Bank and financial institution, 2. Basic English, 3. Basic accounting, 4. Basic management and business, 5. Introductory technology information and communication, 6. Introductory microeconomy, 7. Education of Pancasila. 1. Bank and financial institution. These subjects gaining my knowledge about banking and finance. The way lecturer explains is easy to understand, and he is patient to answer all questions from students. Next, basic English. This subject is quite difficult, but I am grateful the lecturer through Zoom online can make students can understand better. Basic accounting. Even though it's just a basic accounting, but this is important subject. The lecturer also friendly and patient to explaining all subject. Next, basic management and business. These subjects are taught online. The lack of the lecturer are sometimes too fast. Introductory technology information and communication. This subject held through online. The lecturer actually easy to communicate and can be able to make students understand. Next, introductory microeconomy. One of the major important subjects and being held on a classroom. The way she teaching is makes students comfortable. The last, education of Pancasila. At most of university in Indonesia, Pancasila is the main subject of the nationality. The lecturer, like any other lecturer, soft-spoken and calm. This is subject are through online. That's my opinion. Next, we move on to the question words material. The question words. What are the question words? Question words are special words used to ask the beginning of a sentence to ask for specific information. Categories of question words. First, there is the word what, who, where, why, how, when, which, whom, and whose. First, what? What is a question word used to ask about objects, activities, or concepts that occur or are involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Example: what is your favorite color? What are you doing this weekend? What is in your bag? Next, who? Who is a question word used to ask about the identity of a person or group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Example: who are you? Who is your best friend? Who is coming to the party? Where? Where is a question word used to ask about the location, position, or direction of an object or person. Example: where is the library? Where do you work? Where are you going for dinner tonight? Why? Why is a question word used to ask the reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. Example: why why are you late? Why did the bus stop? Why do you want to learn English? How? How is a question word used to ask about the method or process of how an event, condition, and how much. Example: how do you make a cake? How are you? How much is that shirt? When? When is a question word used to find out when an event occurred. Example: when did you wake up? When did you arrive in Jakarta? When will you finish your homework? Which? Which is a question word that helps us choose between several options. Example: which color do you prefer, red or blue? Which route is faster to get to the airport? Which one do you choose, the left or right? Next, whom. Whom is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Example: with whom did you go to the concert? Whom are you talking to on the phone? Whom did she invite to the party? And the last, whose. Whose is a question word used to ask about ownership. Example: whose book is this? Whose idea was it to organize the event? Whose bag is lying on the table? Question word have two patterns. The first pattern, question word with auxiliary verb. Question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Example: where do you eat a fried rice? Why do you happy today? How did you build this Lego? Where as a question word do as auxiliary verb, you as subject, eat a fried rice as verb. Second pattern, question word with modal verb. Question word plus modal verb plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Question word with modal verb. Example: whom should I ask for help? When will the concert start? What should I wear to the party? Whom as question word, should as modal verbs, I as subject, ask for help as verb. Now let's try some practice questions. Number 1. I miss you, Grandma. Will we meet? A. When. B. Who. C. Why. D. Whose. Number 2. I found a pen. Pen is this? A. Which. B. Whose. C. Who. D. Whom. Number 3. Is the nearest library located? A. Who. B. What. C. Where. D. Which? Answers. Number 1. The answer is a when. I miss you, Grandma. When will we meet? Number 2. The answer is B. Whose. I found a pen. Whose pen is this? Number 3. The answer is C. Where? Where is nearest library located? I have finished explaining the material on question word. Thank you.